Is your Samsung TV's audio sounding like it's underwater or breaking up? Let's fix that distorted sound, fast. First, we need to dive into your TV's sound settings. Grab your Samsung TV remote and press the settings button. This is usually a gear icon. Navigate to the sound menu once you're in. Let's check a few things. Look for sound mode. If it's set to something like movie or music, try switching to standard or normal. Sometimes these specialized modes can cause distortion if the audio source isn't a perfect match. Next, go into expert settings or advanced settings, depending on your TV model. Find the equalizer. If any of the bars are set very high, this could be the culprit. Try resetting the equalizer to the default setting. If there's no reset option, you can manually bring all the sliders back to the middle. Now, let's check your sound output. Ensure it's set to the TV's internal speakers if you're not using an external sound bar or audio system. If you are using an external device, make sure the connection is secure. Speaking of connections, let's talk cables. If you're using an external sound system, unplug and then firmly replug both ends of your HDMI or optical audio cable. A loose connection is a common cause of distorted sound. Try a different cable if you have one handy. Physical placement can also play a role. Make sure the TV speakers aren't obstructed by anything. If your TV speakers are on the back, ensure they aren't pressed up against a wall or furniture. If you've tried all of that and the distortion persists, it might be time to check for a software update. Go back to your TV's main settings menu. Then find support or about this TV and select software update. Install any available updates. If the problem remains after these steps, the issue might be with the TV's internal components, and you may need to contact Samsung support or a qualified repair technician. But for many, these quick fixes will restore your crystal clear audio experience.